Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Our family loves Asian-inspired meals, so when we discovered Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce, it's quickly become a staple in our house. So this flavor is not like your traditional barbecue sauce, so don't get it confused. This is a soy-based sauce. It's not thick, it's more runny, but they've added cane sugar, tomato paste, there's definitely hints of ginger. This is an amazing complement to any Asian style meal. It blends wonderfully. So we'll use this in stir fry, over sushi. A little of this goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot. So on Amazon with the set of 2, this is going to last you for a while. So if you are like our family and you love those Asian fusion kind of flavors, you are for sure going to love this Japanese barbecue sauce. It's delicious. And that's my point of view.